So this is how you can change the YouTube language in your iPhone. Let's get into it. So at first, you might want to go to the YouTube app directly, but instead you need to open up the main settings app of your iPhone and scroll directly towards the bottom until you find the apps section. So this is a place where all of your apps are listed and their particular settings are found. So just go through the list or use the letters on the side and find the YouTube. Right there, you can see so many options, but below we have the language. So you can click on it. For me, obviously, right now it is set to English, but you can choose it to be something else, either from the suggested languages at the top right there, or you can also just grab or select any of those which are part of the other languages section. So obviously it's up to you, so you can pick whichever option and thing you want. The important part is that you click and select it, and this is how it's going to reflect inside of the YouTube app. What's important to know is that this only changes the actual UI language, so it doesn't change the content of the video, for example, right? So if you just start watching a content or something, right, you obviously can check out the captions and the language of the captions, but it's not related to any of the language change which we did earlier. So this is like a little bit of a distinction, but that's going to be about it. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll catch you later.